Passive income is seen as the ultimate way to earn money. Passive being that you do not need to give your time up to earn that money. It generates money for you and your family in the background while you even sleep. Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 unusual ways to make passive income that you've probably never heard of. And the great thing is I have tried each of these methods and I know that they work. Hi there, my name is Jennifer. I am a Christian entrepreneur and I love to create ways that you can actually make money in your life and fulfill your callings and passion. Now for me, passive income is really key. You see, I run a household, I've got children, and so I cannot exchange my time for money. It's simply not possible. And so I really focused on a couple of years ago creating passive income streams. That means that I have money generating in the background whilst I do my day job, whilst I make videos and help you a lot. It's creating money for me. And it's really one of the secrets straight from the Bible, actually. So in the Bible, it talks about having at least 7 or 8 income sources. Now, if you break that down, it's simply not possible to do 7 or 8 different jobs 9 to 5. And it's really encouraging us to think about ways that you can make money and serve others, but with passive incomes. Now, passive income does require some maintenance. A lot of things are not completely passive. These are 3 unique websites that you can start making money from, and even better, they've got very low costs or nothing at all. Now, I'm labeling these 3 websites as quiet cash flow. That's right. It actually means that they make it in the background with very little effort from yourself or maintenance. Now, the first one I'm going to suggest to you is actually making content. Now, the great thing is you do not need to be in front of a camera like I choose to do to make content anymore. Now, content on social media is rewarding because you're sharing your knowledge and talents, but also you're able to do this faceless now. So that means you do not need to be a person in front of the camera talking away. There is so many AI tools and software packages, a lot of them free of charge, that you can actually use to create the content and share the knowledge that you want to. Now, with making content, the key is to solve a problem for someone. We all go through life and have situations that are less than ideal, and we want to be able to solve those first time. Making content, social media posts, or videos like I do on YouTube and Instagram and other websites allows you to be the person that's helping someone else who's struggling. So the first website suggestion is to do just that. I want you to consider making faceless social media content, particularly giving over knowledge and wisdom. Now, that will require setting up social media accounts on perhaps Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. These are the main websites that actually pay creators at the moment through ad revenue. So you see on my channel, if I get enough people watching, there might be advertisements and I get a little piece, very, very small piece of that revenue when people watch that advert. Now, over time that can build up. And if your channel is popular, it's solving a real problem for a lot of people, then that can be a sizable income. And that creates in the background, I create the content once, record the video, make the edits, upload it, and that can be on there for years or however long that platform is on for. And you can do the same but faceless. So the piece of software that I'm going to suggest to you actually has a free option. So there is no startup cost. I would recommend considering the monthly packages. They're very good for what you get. It's using a piece of software online called Invideo.AI. Now, this tool has been around for a couple of years in different formats. I used to use it for actually creating videos, but it is really incredible. They've built in an AI generation that allows you to create everything you could possibly think about. It allows you even to make cartoons if you want with animations. My particular suggestion would be looking at short form content. So short form being usually under 1 minute in length. That tends to be the most popular on social media right now. You write the script and then you ask it to generate the media and even sound along with it. It can even put a voice, so you don't even have to have your own voice on these videos. It's a fantastic piece of software online. I really enjoy using this piece of software and I think you're going to love it too. Now, my only tips, and I'll keep this very brief, if you are going into content creation, you have to be consistent. You have to consider putting out videos at least every couple of days, if not every week, to really build up an audience. Expect, if you're a faceless channel as well, to really have that slow ramp up. It might take you a little bit of time to get those first subscribers, but very quickly this could be something that is making you money. My next suggestion is looking at music royalties. So there's actually websites that allow you to invest in musicians and their musical catalogs. It really is incredible, and I'm going to share some with you in this video. Now, I particularly love all things to do with music. A couple of genres in particular that I love. I play musical instruments. I've been around a musical family. I was actually a dancer and a teacher and a judge before I got into YouTube and that kind of thing. So music has always been something that I really enjoyed, and I can actually be an investor in music and support artists and bands. So a particular website that I use is called A-Note. I'll leave it in the description bar that you can go and check out. But you can basically buy shares in musical catalogues. Now, why this is really good, it's allowing you to support musicians, and it's completely passive. They will pay you out a dividend every quarter or every 6 months, some are every year, based on how good that catalogue has been performing. Now, of course, it's completely based on that singer-songwriter or that band, but it's another way that you could create a passive income with no cost at all, but you're supporting also bands perhaps that you love already. And particularly if you're looking to invest, this is a really easy way that you can diversify. It's not just simply the stock market and companies, you're actually investing in people who have talents that may be different to yourself. So it's really quite interesting. And I think we're going to see a lot of people start to branch out into this idea of offering ways that you can buy into royalties, into everyday artists. They've got a whole catalogue to choose from. You can choose from K-pop to classical. I really do recommend you go and check out a couple of websites that I'll leave down below. And finally, my third way that you can make money passively from an unusual website is actually to sell your photos online. Now, we're talking about only conventional websites here. There's websites such as Adobe Stock where you can actually upload your photographs and start to make some royalties on anyone who uses your images in their presentations or work. And you can actually start to get paid for the photos that you took. So people could use them in presentations or graphical work, and you get roughly between 15 to 33% of the royalties when people buy those images to use. Now, effectively what happens, you upload your photo, it then becomes part of that collection, and the person using the photo will ask for a license of it. When there's a download, you get paid. So from our phones nowadays, the quality of pictures are truly amazing. We can also filter and edit them and create some really great photos. So if you're doing that already in your spare time, why not start to get paid for your efforts? Now, I do agree it takes a little bit of effort, a little bit of time, but these are passive. You're creating the best output you can first time and then giving it over to the website to then allow you to make royalties or income. Now, none of these websites have sponsored this video. I've used them in my own personal life or know of them, so I know they will give you a great experience and also allow you to make passive income. I hope you've enjoyed these 3 suggestions. You could actually go away tonight and start thinking about creating these 3 yourself. With passive income, it really is about the minimum effort but doing the best output you can first time, and I know it is really a great way to boost your income because it's completely based on the people who are actually buying your product and what then the demand is for that. And you've also had fun creating the product and using it in your life as well. I really feel that this year is the ideal opportunity to look at maximizing our incomes and do that with passive income. And the great thing is on this channel, we do cover money management, business ideas, how to start your own business as well. But I also use biblical wisdom. So all of the things that I mentioned to you and recommend down in my description bar, I know they give great customer experience because I have used them or know about them myself. So go and check out the links below, and hopefully these will be the new passive incomes that you start that will bring you a great success in the years ahead. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope this video has been really helpful for you. If there's any of them that have resonated with you, I'd love to know that in the comments. If you've also got some passive income sources that you started that you particularly think would help someone else, you can leave that in the comments as well. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and even share it with someone who might find it useful. If you do recommend this video, it all helps someone else find it in the algorithm. And at the end of the day, I want to make sure you're creating the life that is your passion and purpose based on what you're here to do. And income just allows you to do that maybe a little bit faster. So thank you so much for watching today. I'll speak to you very soon.